Today we're going to answer the question, when do I need to use quotations with PowerShell commands? Hey everybody, my name is Jason Yoder. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer with over 400 classes taught. So this channel is about the questions I get in those classes, and this is a very frequent one I get with PowerShell is, when do I need to use quotations with my PowerShell commands? In PowerShell commands, a space is the delimiter or the separator between different elements of a command. It separates the commandlet from its parameters and the parameters from the parameter values. So let's take a look at what happens when we don't use our quotations properly. Here I'm going to be creating two different text files. Now I'm using quotations with both of these, but something to pick up on is right here. I am not using spaces here, but I am using spaces in this name. So let's see what happens when we don't use the spaces. First up, I'm going to read in that text file that I created. Now this text file did not have any spaces in the name, and you can see I'm not using any quotations with this particular text file, and it is going to work. When I read the text file that did have spaces in the name, you can see that I am using quotations. Single or double quotations are just fine. This works out great. Now let's see what happens when we read that text file in, but we omit the quotations. And we have an error. On the commandlet get content, a positional parameter cannot be found that accepts the argument of tech. PowerShell is looking to use tech as the value of a parameter. And up here we can see, here is our commandlet, space parameter value, and that's where we get to this tech. See space and then tech suggests that tech should be added to a positional parameter. There are no positional parameters left for this commandlet, so it errors. So here's the golden rule in PowerShell. If your string contains spaces, you must have it enclosed inside a single or double quotes. Take care, everybody. Please subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.